So mate, I heard there was a bit of an accident, so what's going on there?
Well, a bit of a mid-air, which turned into a eventful landing with no elevator control.
You call that a landing?
Well, if you're going to do it in style, I suppose.
That's exactly right.
Go hard or go home.
That's right. Send it. So guys, if I wanted to go for a fly, is this where I go?
Yes.
Awesome. This is the bingo collar. Hey! Hey!
Who would like to see the jet go up? And the other option is, who would like to see the aerobatic plane go up?